Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Mrs. Shazia Malik, Assistant Professor of English Department, Government Girls Degree College, Quarry Road, Quetta. Now, students, this is my second online lecture. Today, I am here to deliver my lecture of Functional English for the student of BS Chemistry and Islamiyat Department. Today's topic is essay writing. Dear student, you should know that essay writing is mandatory in English language. So it is a very important thing. So all of you should be aware of the rules of writing an essay. Throughout your education, essay writing is there and you cannot skip essay writing in your examination. Now, as students, in the previous lecture, I told you that before writing about something, or if you want to understand something, first of all, definition is very compulsory. So over here also, you students have to just define, okay, that what do you mean by essay writing. Now, what is an essay writing? Essay is a short piece of writing that will express information as well as the writer's point of view. Now girls, whatever essay you are going to write over there, so you have to express all the informations there, all the materials that you have gathered, and you are going to give your own point of view according to that essay writing, whatever the topic might be. So it should express your information plus your point of view. So moreover, what is an essay? It is a short literary composition. Moreover, it is having just one single subject, and moreover, it also expresses your views, your ideas. As the person, he or she, they are writing the essay. So they should understand, okay, that what they have to write in an essay. So now essays, they are always brief, and moreover, they describe or clarify a subject. That is very important. No irrelevant things in this essay. You have to go according to that topic. So writing essay is an expression of your ideas, your views, your opinions on one topic. So as I told you, no irrelevant points in it. All the points that you are going to mention, they should be deeply connected with that topic over there. Now, so essay is a composition written upon a given theme or a subject. So you should understand that whatever the subject is, so as you are writing, so you have to go according to that. Okay, now coming towards the other point is parts of essay. Now girls, you should also understand this thing that essay is having parts also. So there are three main parts of an essay writing. The first one, introduction, second one is body, and the third one is conclusion. Okay, now dear students, first of all, coming towards the first point, that is introduction. Now the introduction, it is the first part, or you can call it as the main part also of an essay. The introduction must be brief. It must be a small paragraph. And moreover, you can say that it is also an introduction of your topic, whatever the topic is over there. It introduces your subject. The introduction should also be very interesting. So the reader, whoever he or she is, so he should be totally captured in your points over there, and he might be very interested in order to read all the points or all the verification or observation or all the points you have just written over there. So make sure that it is interesting enough so that no one gets bored while reading it. Now the final sentence should be the one that connects the introduction to the body. Do not write so much in this section. So I must tell you that introduction, it is a small paragraph, because over here only you are going to give introduction to your subject. It means you are going to define whatever the topic is over there. And moreover, another thing girls, as I told you, a small paragraph it is. So you have to save your points for the body of an essay. Okay, coming towards the other part. And what is the other part? The body of the essay. It is also one of the main part. So now in your essay writing, this body, okay, you can consider it as the largest part of your essay. Here you have to define the main, or you can say the core parts of the term, and put them in organized section. So for this purpose, you have to use your data that you have collected or whatever you have researched for those points. The word selection should be very proper. The paragraphs on essay must be related to one another. The body can be of two main parts. Like for example, you can write 2 paragraphs in an essay, and sometimes even you can write 3 paragraphs also there. Now this paragraph of an essay must be having a due weight. Okay girls, by due weight what I mean? Like for example, take a topic. I must, for example, if I give you the topic like you have to write good or bad influences of newspaper. So over here I must going to tell you, as you are going to write an essay, so it doesn't mean okay that you have to write like 3/4 on the bad influences of the newspaper, and moreover just 1/4 of your essay on the good influences of newspaper. So that's why I said that your essay must be of a due weight. So it means 50-50. Like good influences you should also write half, and again newspapers influences, the bad influences, you have to describe that, but it must be very proper, so we can say that it must be having a due weight over there. Okay girls, the last one, that is the conclusion. Now what is a conclusion? Now the conclusion, it should also be very satisfying. It means okay that the reader, whoever is reading your conclusion at the end, like that reader might be your teacher over there, so as he or she is going to read your conclusion, that person might be very satisfied. So you can also call this conclusion as the final part of your essay. The conclusion sums up your essay, and it should be long enough to cover all the important points. Now girls, the introduction. As I told you, it should be very interesting and it should arouse the interest of the students over there. So now again, as the introduction, it should be very interesting. So the conclusion, it should be satisfying. As I told you before, whoever is reading your essay over there, that person in the end, after reading your conclusion, must be satisfied that you have described all the points in a very relevant way. So you have to satisfy at the end your reader over there. Now again, another thing is very important, because if you are not going to give a good end to the conclusion over there, and it must be having a feeble ending. By feeble, what I mean, a very weak ending over there. So it will just totally spoil all the points and all the effect of your essay. Nobody will be inspired, okay, if you are not having a proper conclusion over there. So a good conclusion, it is very important over there. So now over here I must tell you that it must end okay with a sentence that presses the main point, okay, and you should just say something over there about that topic, about that essay writing over there. You can write even a suitable quotation also over there. So if you are going to observe all these points over there, your 3 parts, okay, like introduction, the body and the conclusion, so you girls can write a very effective essay over there. Okay dear students, today's lecture I'm going to end over there. So now I hope all of you might have understood it in a clear way over there. Just try to revise all these parts over there, the introduction of the essay. Now in our next lecture, okay, we are going to discuss the characteristics of an essay, and moreover the hints, or you can say the procedure of writing an essay. Thank you.